Dear students, welcome back. Today we will discuss about IoT node. What is IoT node? An IoT node is a physical device that senses or interacts with the environment, processes the data locally, and communicates it to the other nodes or cloud platforms for monitoring, analysis, and action. Here you can see the IoT node. It is having a sensors, sensing unit. Second one is a processor or microcontroller unit or a processing unit. And third one is a communication module or connectivity unit. It includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, LoRa, cellular, 4G or 5G, Ethernet. It sends data to gateway or cloud and receives the commands. And fourth one is it has the power supply unit, battery or DC adapter or USB. Fifth one is actuators or the actuation unit. It has motors, relays, valves, buzzers, LEDs, etc. Performs actions based on the processor data or commands. And sixth one is a memory or storage unit. It has a flash memory or EEPROM or SD card, stores the data and logs and configuration. And seventh one is they have other components for security, encryption, uh, like RTC real-time clock, status indication, and users interface. The key functions are it senses, collects data from the environment using sensors, and process and analyzes the data locally, called edge computing, communicates, transmit data to gateway or cloud, and receive the commands. Act means control actuators and interact with the physical world, manage and manages the power, security, time, and configuration. The typical applications are industrial monitoring and control and predictive maintenance, asset tracking, smart energy management, environment, environmental monitoring, and smart agriculture. Dear students, today we will discuss about the challenges of industrial IoT. The main challenges are here. I have shown 9 main challenges of industrial Internet of Things. First one is security and privacy. Security and privacy. IoT devices are vulnerable to cyber attacks, malwares, ransomwares. Protection of sensitive operational and business data. Ensuring end-to-end security, device to cloud, secure identity and access management is required. Security and privacy is the main challenge of IIoT. Second one is interoperability and standardization. Heterogeneous devices, protocols, and platforms. A lack of common standards leads to integration issues, difficulties in data sharing and seamless communication, vendor lock-in and compatibility challenges. Third one is data management. Massive volume of data generated from devices and machines, handling high velocity, variety, and veracity of data, data storage, cleaning, aggregation, and lifecycle management, ensuring data quality and usefulness of for analytics. Fourth one is reliability and availability. IIoT systems require high uptime and continuous operation. Network failures, device faults, and power outages causes disruptions, need for fault tolerance, redundancy, and resilient architectures, ensuring real-time performance in critical operations. Fifth one is the scalability. Scaling from few devices to thousands or millions of devices, managing devices provisions, configuration and updates at scale, handling increased data load and user requests, maintaining performance and manageability. Sixth one is legacy system integration. Integration Integrating the modern IIoT solutions with existing legacy equipment, proprietary protocols, and old systems are had to connect. High integration efforts and cost, ensuring smooth operation without affecting legacy systems. Seventh one is high initial cost. Cost of sensors, gateways, network, platforms, and licenses, infrastructure upgrades, and implementation cost is very high. High cost can be a barrier, especially for small and medium industries. Need for clear ROI and business cases. Eighth one is the skill gap. Shortage of skilled professionals in IIoT, data analytics, cybersecurity, and automation. Need for multi-dimensional knowledge, IT plus OT plus data. The training and upskilling existing workforce is essential. And last one is the environmental and operational challenges. IoT devices operates in harsh industrial environment, temperature, vibrations, dust, humidity, and electromagnetic interference, ensuring durability and ruggedness of the devices, safety of workers, and compatibility with the industrial regulations. These are the challenges is essential to build uh, secure, reliable, scalable, and efficient IoT solutions that deliver real business value and drive industrial transportation.